Learning English is easier when you practice a little every day. Now, let's learn together with Daily English Moments. Today's lesson is 50 common English sentences in the simple past tense. Let's begin.
I woke up early this morning. I went to work by bus. She cooked dinner for her family.
We watched a movie last night. He finished his homework on time. They visited their grandparents yesterday.
I bought a new shirt last weekend. She cleaned her room in the afternoon. We played football after school.
He called me last night. I lost my keys this morning. She helped me with my homework.
We studied English together. He opened the door quietly. They stayed at home all day.
Great job! Keep going. I met my old friend yesterday. She sent me a message.
We traveled to Da Nang last summer. He learned a new skill. They laughed a lot at the party.
I forgot his phone number. She wore a beautiful dress. We arrived late because of traffic.
He fixed the broken chair. They ordered food online. I drank a cup of coffee.
She took many photos. We enjoyed the concert. He passed the final exam.
They waited for the bus. I heard a strange noise. She closed all the windows.
We decided to stay home. He taught me how to cook. They shared their ideas.
I wrote an email to my boss. She found her lost wallet. We practiced speaking English.
He paid the bill. They moved to a new house. I felt very tired.
She smiled at me. We missed the last train.
He invited me to his birthday party. They enjoyed the meal.
Well done! You've just learned 50 useful sentences in the simple past tense. Learning English doesn't have to be hard. Small steps every day can make a big difference.
If you enjoyed this lesson, like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to Daily English Moments for more easy English lessons.
Thanks for watching.